Hey fashion lovers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something every one of us has in our closet, jeans. And we're going to flip the script on how you wear them. This video is all about looking stylish and expensive in jeans. Yes, you can turn even your most basic denim into a polished, high-end outfit with just a few smart styling tricks. We're going to cover the top trending and timeless types of jeans that can instantly elevate your style game, plus how to wear each one to give off that confident, chic, and expensive vibe without blowing your budget. Let's jump right in. Raw hem jeans, effortless and edgy. Raw hem jeans are the perfect example of fashion meeting individuality. The undone edges create an elevated, street-style look that feels intentional and artistic, like you've stepped out of a fashion magazine. They give the impression of curated casual wear, while still offering enough structure to pair with high-end items. Whether skinny, straight-leg, or cropped, raw hems add character and a laid-back luxury vibe that screams confidence. Style tips. Pair with minimalist heels or chunky sneakers for contrast. Go monochrome, like black jeans with a black tee, to look taller and sleeker. Layer with a tailored coat and statement earrings for an expensive vibe. High-waisted, wide-leg jeans, powerfully polished. These jeans are a staple if you're looking to bring both comfort and commanding presence into your outfit. The high waist defines your silhouette, while the wide leg creates beautiful, flowing lines that bring both elegance and movement. They're a favorite in power dressing because they can give a statuesque, model off-duty look that feels very high fashion. Whether you're heading to work or brunch, these jeans give instant structure and upscale appeal. Style tips: always tuck in your top or choose a cropped knit or blouse. Add platform sandals, chunky heels, or boots for that flowy leg effect. A belt, structured handbag, and oversized sunglasses will add luxe polish. Barrel leg jeans. Bold, trendy, and artsy. Barrel leg jeans are all about making a fashion statement. With their rounded silhouette and modern twist, they offer a playful edge while still looking curated and intentional. These jeans immediately suggest that you're fashion-forward and know how to experiment with proportion, a trick often used in luxury styling. They break away from traditional denim cuts, giving your outfit dimension and depth while still remaining versatile. Style tips: pair with fitted tops or turtlenecks to balance volume. Choose sleek ankle boots or mules. Throw on a structured trench or blazer for a fashion insider vibe. Dark wash, straight leg jeans. Understated luxury. This is one of the most essential jeans every stylish woman should own. The deep indigo or near black wash instantly conveys sophistication and minimalism. Dark wash jeans are less casual and more refined than their lighter counterparts, making them ideal for achieving that quiet luxury aesthetic. They pair well with almost anything and transition easily from day to night, casual to business casual, all while keeping you effortlessly sleek. Style tips: tuck in a white button-down or silk blouse. Add a leather belt, classic loafers, and gold accessories for instant richness. A tailored blazer or camel coat finishes the look with elegance. Flared jeans, glamorous and leg-lengthening. Flared jeans offer a sleek, retro revival with undeniable sophistication. The flare at the bottom balances the figure and elongates the legs, especially when worn with heels. Their bold silhouette adds a sense of glamour and presence that transforms an ordinary denim outfit into something far more upscale. Perfect for both casual and elevated moments, these jeans make fashion feel fun, luxurious, and bold all at once. Style tips. Wear with platform boots or pointed-toe shoes to boost height. Choose a fitted bodysuit or cinched top to highlight your waist. Accessorize with a belt, bold earrings, and a clutch bag to enhance the upscale feel. White or cream jeans, clean, crisp, and luxe. White or cream jeans are an elegant departure from traditional denim. Their fresh, minimalist look delivers instant sophistication and reflects an intentional, curated wardrobe. Light neutrals give off that high-end resort vibe. Clean lines, soft palettes, and luxurious textures that stand out in a subtle, refined way. Ideal for spring and summer styling or for anyone wanting to master the art of tonal dressing. Style tips. Stick with a neutral palette, beige, tan, ivory, or gray. Pair with minimalist sandals or pointy flats. Layer a long coat, silk blouse, and crossbody handbag for quiet luxury vibes. So there you have it, your complete guide to looking stylish and expensive in jeans. Whether it's the edgy raw hem, the polished wide leg, or the clean sophistication of white denim, the key is to focus on intentional dressing. The right cuts, the right fit, and smart layering can transform even basic jeans into something runway-worthy. And here's a quick extra tip before you go. Pay attention to tailoring. Even the best jeans will only look luxurious if they fit you well. A little adjustment at the waist or hem can make a $40 pair look like $400. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, drop your favorite denim style in the comments, and subscribe for more fashion-forward content coming your way. Stay confident, stay elevated, and always stay stylish.